Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to see story archive on Facebook. So if you want to see the archive story, maybe you want to watch them again, stories that you archive, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is to open up your Facebook on your mobile. Then from there tap on the menu icon, then tap on the gear button. Then now we have to navigate to your activities. Just keep scrolling down, then under activities tap on activities log, tap on it. Then after that you have to give it a few seconds to load, then scroll down, then tap on your Facebook activities, tap on it, then after that tap on connections, then tap on friends. After that tap on friend request receive, then give it a few minutes to load. Then under that at the top you can see archive, tap on archive, and here is available an option where you can see all your archive stories, moving from the stories that you move from your post, maybe posts, pictures or other stuff that you archive. Here's where you can find them and where you can watch them again. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.